Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic, that is joint Hindu family business. According to the Hindu law, joint Hindu family is a group of persons whose ancestor is the same. Under it is the unmarried daughters of wives are also included. The organization of the joint family is based on the following two facts. First is co-parency and second is common property. Competency means the common ownership is the ancestor property. Competency is created by law, not only by the context. According to it, an individual get a right in the ancestor property immediately after the birth. That person is known as the compensor. This individual can also ask for division of the ancestral properties. And second, common property. According to the law, joint Hindu family get recognized as undivided Hindu family only when the family possesses a property that is used for the welfare of all the member of the family. The common properties include the following: ancestor property, property created with the help of ancestor property, personal property treated as a property of the family. Now, what is the meaning of joint Hindu family business? When a business enterprises run by the people belonging to the same family, they run the business as a family business. It is called joint Hindu family business. In such form of business, of the authority of control is in the hand of the karta or manager of the family. The other members of the family work under the control and guidance of the karta. The eldest member of the family is happen to be its karta, and he has absolute authority to raise loan, deal with other parties, and take decision. The other member of the family cannot ask any account of the profit or loss, but they can ask for divisions of ancestral property. All have an equal share in the property and the family irrespective of the age of its member. Now, features operation according to the Hindu law. Joint Hindu family business directed according to the Hindu law, and right and duties of member of the family decided by the law. Next, management by the joint Hindu family business is normally managed by the senior member of the family. He is known as a karta or manager. The other member of the family do not have any right to interfere in the business. Every business contact need to be proper approval of the karta. Next, limited liabilities. Under the joint Hindu family business, responsibility of the member is limited only to the extent of their share. The personal property of the member cannot be taken for the business responsibility. This is also important fact that it is a joint Hindu family business. Responsibility of the karta is unlimited, and his personal property is also responsible to discharge his business responsibility. Next, permanent existence. The permanent existence joint Hindu family business is permanent like the existence of the company. There is no effect of that insolvency or license of the member of the business. Next, membership by the birth. A child get a right in the property of Hindu undivided family with his birth. He automatically become a member of the business. Next, only a male member can be the comprehensive in the joint Hindu family, but according to the Hindu Section Act 1956, woman after the death of her husband and his absence of the male successor can become a comprehensive of the family business. Registrations. There is no need of any registration of the joint Hindu family business. There is no need to complete any legal formality of establishment. Because of the following feature, it is easy to start the joint Hindu family business because there is no need of complete legal formalities for the establishment. Under the joint Hindu family business, all the facts remain confined to the karta. Therefore, complete business cannot be get any important informations. And karta of joint Hindu family business come in the direct contact with his customer. Therefore, he has the complete information about the linking, attitude, and fashion of his customer. This help him to planning for the business. The karta of joint Hindu family is free to take business decision. He does not need to consult anybody for this purpose. Therefore, he can take promote decisions which are initial for the success of the business. And the karta of joint Hindu family has exclusive right on the profit of the business. And the joint Hindu family business is handed over by one generation to another, and the member of the family continue to maintain the old idle tradition of the family. This gives the benefit of the instant reputation to the business. Thank you.